Hi, Mom. I'm making a video of my fridge, but first here's Lane, Chad, and his friend Chandler playing a game. And here is my new refrigerator. And on my new refrigerator is this picture of you and the beach and us with Dad and Lane and Chad and his dad and Chad's with his mother and little things Lane made us when he was a kid. Look at that punim. Jewish things like schmutz and hot Mirnishkein Chinik and all that stuff. And this is my fridge. It is big and beautiful and can hold all of our bottles of stuff. And it even has a door alarm, if you can read that, so that if you leave it open too long, it beeps. And down here is the freezer, which is nice and deep and holds all of our veggie stuff and has a tray on top for putting things like ice cream and little mini burritos. And we have ice trays in there now. And this is Lane's Snowball from 2006, I think, or 2010. But we're going to get the ice maker working. And that is my fridge.